Keep going.
Phone. Daddy has it.
Standing up.
I know, he was doing that while he was taking that studio tour.
So you
There he goes.
Thought he was gonna ride on his knee there for a minute. Now he's switching feet. Don't fall off. Hold on tight. Boom.
Okay.
Kyler.
All right.
What a hoot you
All right.
are.
Thank
You're
you.
a hoot,
Get back
dude.
on there.
All right, bye.
Oh, now we're
Oh,
back.
oh,
He likes that more than just riding it regularly.
Yeah. Okay, leave it going frontwards.
Push the other button.
Get on there.
Get back on there and go. Get back on the side.
Don't you do it.
He can't
Don't
get
do
on this
it.
side. He can't get on there.
Oh, no, it's okay.
No, Mom's too big for it. She's over the 50-pound maximum weight limit.
Yeah.
And some.